Have you heard? Are the clones coming? We all remember Dolly, the sheep clone, but what has been happening with this sci-fi technology since? Many animal clones have been produced using somatic cell nuclear transfer, or NT, since it was first successful in 1996. Calves born using this procedure have been well studied, but the process is still too inefficient for commercial use. For the horse industry, this procedure has been performed successfully, but the short and long-term results have not been well documented. Two institutional laboratories, one associated with Texas A&M University and another in Italy, as well as one commercial cloning company, have produced live foals using adult somatic cells. Earlier this year, a retrospective study of NT-derived foals was put together by researchers at the Texas Laboratory Group and was published in the Journal of the American Veterinary Medical Association. The study sought to describe the health status of foals produced with the use of somatic cell nuclear transfer at the Texas Laboratory. The success rate using this technique at the moment is less than 5% for all species. So, not surprisingly, over the span of 4 years, of 54 cloned embryos that were transferred to mares at the Texas facility, just 14 live foals were produced. 2 foals were lost within the first 7 days of life, one to pneumonia and the other to anesthesia complications. 6 of the surviving foals were clinically normal, and all of the defects or conditions identified in the others were successfully treated either medically or surgically with no long-term effects. The researchers found that several deliveries occurred at shorter gestational periods, that a high percentage were delivered during the day, and that many foals required supplemental oxygen and other supportive measures. Thus, they recommend that all NT births be treated as high risk. However, once past the neonatal period, these foals appear to be healthy and grow normally. All 12 foals were healthy at 1 to 4 years of age. Survival of live-born NT-derived foals appears to be better than that of cloned calves. Placental abnormalities and large birth weights, commonly associated with cloned calves, were not evident in these cases. In fact, all of the foals were of normal body weight or small in the case of one foal. The future for cloning is still unknown, but this technique is already available to the public and marketed in many equine trade magazines. This study shows that somatic cell nuclear transfer is capable of producing healthy individuals. Owners of all kinds of pets have shown interest in cloning, so get ready because the future is here for horse enthusiasts, and in time it may be an easy and affordable proposition to replicate both pasture dwellers and the family pet.